So here's a tip that hotels probably don't want me to tell you. However, these are two things that I always do whenever traveling to increase my personal well-being. Welcome back to Live Free TV. My name is Sarah Caraconi, Live Free Warrior, your travel wealth storyteller. Two things I do when traveling. One, I ask them to remove everything that is in the mini fridge. They won't like that. So I always ask them to remove all of the food and beverages that are in the fridge, particularly the alcohol, the chips, oiled up nuts. I don't need any of that in the room. One, it's not healthy for me. Two, I don't need to touch it or have it take up space in the room. I just want to clear it out and let me put my own foods of choice on top of the refrigerator stand or even within the fridge. Now, I didn't really have to explain myself too much this last time. I just said, can you please remove the alcohol from the fridge without having to go into detail. Personally, I've had my fair share of alcohol throughout many years of my life. I definitely don't need it now. Sorry, not sorry, Grey Goose. We are no longer a couple. We broke up many years ago. The second part of this, if there is not a fridge, I will request, can you please have a fridge put into the room? And they will do so. More often than not, you don't have to go into too many details. However, if you are particularly someone who does have a medication, for mothers who might be breastfeeding, they might do this. Even if you just kindly request it, more often than not, they can bring you a fridge to put in the room. Usually I'll go to a local market, I'll source some vegetables, some fruits. This way I have the space and I can just store it in there and I don't have to think about anything else that's on top that's gonna call my eye at a weird hour if I'm changing times. Although I've honestly never done that before. I've never just gone and taken the snacks that are there because I know, one, they're like 7 times the price, and two, I know they're not gonna leave me feeling too good. I have yet to see a mini bar that stocks Go Macros, Ezekiel, and grapes. You give me a mini bar that has that, then I won't ask you to take it out. Fair? How's that one?